Today I'm going to change the nib on this new pen of mine, Twsbi Diamond 580 Rose Gold Smoke 2. A lovely pen, except for one problem. The left tine on the nib is bent, so when writing with it, that side of the pen, that tine, drags across the page and you can feel it, and it's annoying when you're trying to write. I got on to Twsbi and had to talk to them, and they're not going to produce nibs in the copper tone gold, the rose gold. So it means I've got to replace the nib with a standard Diamond 580 nib. So there's a couple of ways we can do that. This is the nib I'm going to change it with. The Stub 1.1 in this little packet. Take it out. Nice little plastic case to put the other nib in so it doesn't get any worse. So I'll put that aside for a moment. Unscrew the new nib. There we have the replacement nib. Now normally, to replace a 580 nib, you just unscrew this section at the front, comes out, and you screw in the new nib. Tighten it up, and there it is, you're ready to roll. However, there's another way to do it, which I'll be doing today. So we'll unscrew that. And it appears that these nibs, the nib and the filler, are an integral part of this in one piece, but in actual fact they're not. So what we're going to do is I'm going to screw this back onto the pen. There we go. Well, other than I've got my glove caught in it. It's now right. So what we'll do now is we'll remove the nib and the filler by pulling them out. And there we have them. The old nib. Now we'll do the same thing. Take that ferrule off. We'll do the same thing to the new nib, the stub one. It is tight. That's got him off. Right. So we line up the nib and the filler, hold it tightly, and then place it inside, making sure that we've got it in the correct orientation. Check it to make sure that the nib is in the center of the feed, then push it home. And there it is. We'll fill that in a moment with some ink, but in the meantime we'll put this nib back together and I'll have that looked at Whoop, lost him. Goes that way. So the capillary action can work properly. Pop that back on. And then, whoop, wrong way. That way. We'll screw this piece back in. So there's my old nib. We'll put it back into the container, tighten it down so we don't get any additional damage on the nib. That way I've still got the copper gold band there, and just the nib is the different colour, the chrome nib.